So then you asked me to talk about her routine. So we're gonna take some tea and just slather that right on, and then use some water droplets to help hydrate our skin. And then we want to take the redness out of our skin, so we do a little smear of that, and then some peptides, which are really healthy for your skin. And then let me show you my under eyes and how much better they look. And now I'm putting something that I don't really know what it is, and then now we're putting gold because we're bougie like that, and we're just slathering that right on top. And then we use this cute pink stuff because packaging is key, and it's really white, but I'm gonna just keep rubbing it in and hope for the best. And wow, look at that, I did so good. And then we have something that I once again don't know what